Listen, all the BITSAT aspirants, this is a very, very important video because BITSAT is literally giving you a last chance. And here we are going to discuss some of the important dates that are really essential for us to understand that we need to apply for BITSAT in what way. Let's quickly take a quick look at all these things. So this is the official schedule. Application was begun already from the 15th of December onwards, and last date to apply for session 1 or both is 16th of March. Remember that 16th of March, today is when we are recording the video, it is the 3rd of March, and 16th of March is your final date. So you need to apply for the BITSAT examination if you are really planning to write the BITSAT, and if your aim is BITS Pilani, you must get serious right now also, even though you are having your board examinations or if your examination are already over, then also you should at least apply it today or tomorrow or anytime sooner, because if you wait for the last date to happen, it might happen that your website not work properly, okay, or your information might not be uploaded properly. You can make some error or mistake. You may face several type of challenges that you cannot even imagine as of now. So why to even push ourselves to that extent, to that limit, from where it becomes very, very difficult for us to even stand and come across the examination. So this is why it is important that you must take up the decision to apply for the exam if you are planning to write the BITSAT examination. Application edit window will start just one day after once the application gets over. So from 18th of March till 20th of March, you will get a proper chance to make some edits in case you make some kind of errors or mistakes, right? So if you want to make some changes whatsoever, then you can make during this window. Remember that your exam is going to be held first attempt from 15th to 17th of April. So if we count from today onwards, so approximately 40 days are remaining. Just 40 days. Wake up. It is a wake up call. It is an alert that your examination is coming very, very closer. Okay, you cannot afford to take this exam very lightly or casually. Rather, you must become very serious from now onwards if you really want to crack BITSAT examination. Remember that BITSAT offers you a good opportunity to seek admission into one of the most competitive, one of the most reputed college of this country, which is BITS Pilani, which is even far, far better than many IITs and NITs. So remember that you can definitely transform your life if you take this exam seriously and if you prepare well for this exam. Session 2 registration will begin from 20 April to 2nd of May. So you will get a fair chance to even apply for this for the second attempt in case you are planning to write for just first attempt only. You want to try your luck, and if you want to prepare better for the second attempt, so you will get the sufficient amount of window. And your examination second attempt going to be held from 24th to 26th of May. And if we just take a total count of all these days that we are having, so just 2 to 2.5 months are remaining for both of us, for both the attempts to happen, to occur. So you must wake up right now, take both the attempts very, very seriously, prepare well, because if your BITSAT is really your aim, then you must accomplish it, right? What are the quick tips? So you can apply for both the sessions together before the 16th of March. That is one good opportunity that you are getting. So that kind of problem will be solved. Key first you are attempting for first, then again you have to apply for the second, right? At once, if you want to apply for the both, you can do it now before the 16th of March. So it is advisable that you must apply it within this week only. Don't wait for the next week to happen, because we don't know whether the server might not work properly or any kind of some mishap might happen. So unnecessary, why we must increase our trouble, right? So best of your 2 sessions course will be considered. Mostly majority of the students apply for the both. So obviously it is advisable in case if you are not doing well in the first attempt, so you can improve your score definitely in the second, because the best of the 2 is considered. Dates are based on the official admission portal. So this was the very, very, very important thing. This is your last chance. Definitely you can crack it. Now comes the most important thing, how to prepare. Sir, we are having like lot of confusion. We are unable to find the right relevant resources, can't figure out what is the right mock test. So don't worry, we are actually bringing you the most relevant and most effective crash course by BITSIANs for BITSIANs only. This has been designed by most experienced faculty, Harshal sir, along with his batchmates. So this is the #1 India's most trustworthy crash course. And this is for you only. In this crash course, you are getting all the recorded video lectures of all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, logical reasoning, and English. It offers you the flexibility that you can watch these lectures anytime and multiple times as per your convenience and pace. And if you have any course related query, so obviously you can call us at this number. And obviously, you are also getting the proper live sessions, doubt solving support, and also mock test and other resources that is going to definitely boost your BITSAT preparation. Visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now to enroll in the course. And if you enroll today, so you will get special discount of rupees 2500 off. So what are you waiting for? Go fast, visit our website, avail this coupon code which is provided below in the description box. You will find all the course related details as well as step-by-step procedure to complete your enrollment. And obviously, as I told you, if you have any course related query, you can call us at this number. So this is the most effective course. If you are really serious, then this crash course can definitely enhance your chances of selection, of probability of success into the BITS Pilani. Why wait? Act now and make your dream come true. Let's crack BITSAT together. With this, we will conclude and see you in the upcoming videos. Jai Hind, thank you. God bless.